DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the building. And I don't know any time we deal with today. You my bad gang. You don't know what we're doing today. Yo, we're back in our building and we're back with none other than the La Boss. Yeah man, today. And we got this one entitled These Streets. Been a minute since we've been reacting to the La Boss. You know, you me, it's long overdue since we reacted to Chronic Law. I don't remember the last track we reacted to Chronic Law from but it's been a minute, it's been too long. So I check out this new one he just dropped entitled These Streets. I don't know, Chronic Law, bad artists, make really relatable, deep, sometimes emotional, people mostly say depressing songs, but Chronic Law bad artists. So I check out the one of These Streets so I deal with. Say this one a more deep one, MEDZ one, gangster one, we never know. You see me I say? Well, I jump right now, track on have all of vibes much longer. Before even being, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, you know, gang. Stop playing with me, get my likes up. You already know what time it is, man. Now all of the vibe much on Chronic Law, These Streets, let's get it.
Too much blood clot politics, man equip, pullimatic pan in blood family. Honestly, me not join love cause it man is.
Yeah man, too much blood clot politics, man dramatic pan their own family. You see me I say? Yeah man, politics thing tricky, you know.
In blood family.
You see me, the politics thing tricky. You see me, you know, hey, you.
Too much blood clot politics, man equip, pullimatic pan in blood family. Honestly, me not join love cause it malice me. Shed the tears but don't.
That don't make no sense. Over some politicians that don't care about you, a party that don't, you know what I'm saying?
Cry make nobody say. Makes sense. I don't show them no weakness.
No weakness, something.
I wanna don't know these streets, yeah. Go like ice, more than twice. I've seen many dogs lose them life.
Yeah man, that's a fact. I've cold like ice out here, you see me? More than twice you see many dogs lose their life out here, that's facts, bro. You've been out here in the streets, you know what go on and know life. You see me? If you've been, you know someone thugs, you've been through something. You see, you're sitting, you know what I'm saying?
And twice, I've seen many dogs lose them life. Many dogs lose them life. Alphabet, and out R.I.P. I'm a done my full black and all white jeans. Me see many dogs.
Yeah that man, Mount R.I.P. What me done? My full black all white jeans.
Many dogs.
Say no space and no white no left.
You ever will have vibes with smarty, then the next minute you got seem lifeless body. You ever try run a blood?
That was my response to Bob Mokla. You dog say man? You hear these people? You ever talk to somebody and the next thing you gonna say in life is body?
Minute you got seem lifeless body. You ever try run a blood clot joke and remember I kill and smiling vanish. Sometimes things tragic, but boy build solid. But tell you me not change, go try tip chanic. Me see man a try.
And say yeah, you think tragic. Boy, the boy a build solid. You see me? Me nah change. This is not tip chanic. You see me? I say. Yeah,
come remember
nah change I gear in a car.
Kill and smiling vanish. Sometimes things tragic, but boy build solid. But tell you me not change, go try tip chanic. Me see man a try help family and him switch pan him. Me see pussy everywhere. I'm feel like this planet.
Easy now man. Yeah man. Me see man a hey.
Help family and him switch pan him.
Yeah man, see man a child and family and him switch pan him man. You see me I say, man say yo, I feel like Earth. I say be a pussy everywhere. I feel like the planet, eh?
See pussy everywhere, I feel like this planet. Yo, go like ice, more than twice. I've seen many dogs lose them life. Many dogs lose them life. Alphabet, and out R.I.P.
Yeah man, I gotta say Mount R.I.P. what? Yeah man say.
I'm done my full.
Yeah man say man.
Alphabet. And out R.I.P. I'm done my full black and all white jeans. We see many dogs.
I feel like a big head split with when the man think about what I go on to be like, please, you know?
Killer be killed, the Glock reach it, woman me not sleeping.
Yeah.
No man will never say Christ still shot reach him. I miss the two-face before skin bleaching. Let's
Man say, me see man never say Christ before till shot reach him, dog. Don't check out those boys skin, you know, man. You see me and say, yeah, man, I got them call.
Killer be killed, the Glock reach it, woman me not sleeping. No man will never say Christ still shot reach him. I miss the two-face before skin bleaching. Let's from.
Wow, easy. This is two-face before skin bleaching out here, dog. Ah, gone. Yo, Canicla bad in the dog. Enough subliminals and lyrics in them man a tune in the dog.
All of the pain them will reach me. As some sing, as some teach it. People around you way here to no neatly. Me can't feel the energy from my greeting.
That's a fact. There's people around you here to neatly, you know. You don't even know, bro. Man say, my wise in this and no stream. Me can't feel the energy just when I greeting. I have to say 40 to you. You see me? That's the way you hear me know what I'm going. You know what I'm saying?
My lord, heart probably empty. Close ones I fuck up on my trigger finger tempted. Lord freeze me, no see disaster for melt this. Lord pray wicked only Lord probably help him. All I'm wealthy inside, but pussy wanna lose everything through jealousy.
Send them some message. All are we wealthy inside. Pussy wanna lose our own cause through jealousy. Wanna go and lose. Hey! Come on, drop some. Can't cry, just on
I pray wicked only Lord probably help him. All I'm wealthy inside, but pussy wanna lose everything through jealousy. So I'ma tell Snapchat I just selfie. If you love yourself don't mean say you're selfish. Oh.
That's a fact. And some get tricked in the past. You see me and say, yeah man, as a young youth man, you love yourself and you go to Obama and make sure certain say niggas see and say, oh you're selfish, you know, say and tell them say you're right, yeah man. Then chicken man love yourself, don't mean you say you're selfish, that's fine.
Inside, but pussy wanna lose everything through jealousy. So I'ma tell Snapchat I just selfie. If you love yourself, don't mean say you're selfish. Oh, just a go like ice, yeah. More than twice. I've seen many dogs lose them life. Many dogs lose them life.
I mean, man, Chronic Law, big tune.
Alphabet. Without R.I.P. I'm done my full black and white jeans. Me see many dogs.
Oh, that deep, man, that deep. Just deep it. You see me I say?
See many dogs.
Easy now, man, Chronic Law. They no bad like you, me G. Yeah, man, one law boss, man. Yeah, man, lyrics, melodies, flows, life lessons. Yeah, man, Chronic Law, man, them man are a different thing. Them man are on a different level. Genius when it comes to the craft. You see me I say? And so relatable. That's why enough people love your music. You see me I say? Big up Chronic Law, man. You know what I'm saying? One of the best in the game right now. I'm going in OG years and it should be in OG years. You know what I'm saying? Veteran, definitely veteran in that game, but going in OG years. You see me? Enough youth I grew up on La Bass now. La Bass I turn off to be one of the best artists now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. The man that catalog are crazy. And the man that really turn up like them performance. As in man, them man that music can go up in the age where they can like in the whole and they can tour upon their song and sing. You see me I say? Yeah man. Chronic Law some mad tune man. Big up La Bass. Life lesson lyrics, melodies, double entendres, metaphors, similes. The man got it man. Big up, yeah man. Chronic Law the best to ever do it, man. You see me I say no cap gang. But yeah man, drop in the comments in the comment section. Let me know anything about the track. You see me I say if you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. You know say the dancing, you know. You see me when I was here knowing this, y'all was here at the music club with the dance. You see me I say, yeah man. And drop in, let me know the favorite part, the lyrics, favorite metaphor, the favorite life lesson when I pointed out. Let me know all that shit. You see me in the comment section, man. Real mad thing. And say me know two-face before bleachings. You see me? We all are rich inside, but nothing lose through jealousy. You see me? I say, yeah man, I want to them man. Big up Chronic Law. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.